Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me plus maybe a little vlog at the end. So I just woke up maybe 20-30 minutes ago, and I already brushed my teeth and washed my face and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair, how I do my makeup. I don't know what I'm going to do for makeup, and then my outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, so I'll post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. Unless I'm gonna do this trick where I saw these girls put up their hair in a ponytail and then just basically curl their hair up in the ponytail, and then it's supposed to be all nice and all that stuff. So let me see if it works, but we're gonna have to go with that hairstyle either way. So yeah, I got 2 more hours left, so yeah. So I basically curled my hair, but I don't feel like that technique kind of worked. So I kind of did 2 separate ponytails and then curled it. It's not so crazy. I just wanted a little bit of wave. And then now we're going to do my makeup. I need to cover up these pimples, so I'm probably going to put a little bit of foundation, a little tiny bit, and then mascara, eyeshadow, some highlighter, maybe maybe the whole shebang. Let's see, because I have not put on a full face of makeup. Oh yeah, and my eyebrows. So let's see what I do. I'm sorry about the lighting right now. I might see if I can edit it and see, but so we're going to be doing eyebrows first, and I'm doing the Anastasia Brow Dip Powder that I always use. Never have changed my routine up really. That's why I don't really do makeup videos, but then at the same time I don't do makeup videos just because I don't put makeup on anymore. So if you guys haven't seen my old videos, here goes a tutorial of my makeup. But I just fixed up my eyebrows yesterday, so they're grown out and stuff, so I had fixed them. And I did a nose strip. I put stuff on my pimples because they were getting me upset. But here's the eyebrow. We're going to now brush it. I don't really do it that dark, I just do it for color. So I just kind of brush it out. So I don't know if you could tell the difference between the 2 eyebrows, but that's that. So that's 1 eyebrow. We're gonna put on some concealer for these pimples. I don't really care about under eye circles, I just care about my pimples. So we're just gonna put some on my pimples, a little bit on each. Oh my gosh, now I have a pimple on my hairline. That's annoying. So my camera died, so what I did was I put on concealer, which is this concealer from Born This Way from Too Faced. Then I put on some powder. Then I put on some Hoola bronzer, this BH Cosmetics Tulip blush, and then I put on some eyeliner. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. And then we're going to put on some highlighter from The Balm. So we're just going to put some on my finger, just tap it in. We're gonna put some under my eyebrows as well, since I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow, so we're gonna just put that under my eyebrows. Last thing to do is to curl my lashes, and I'm gonna use these 2 mascaras, L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. So yes, we are going to do this one first. Hopefully the eyeliner dried because I had it on for a couple minutes now. here's my makeup without, so just simple. We're gonna put on my shirt, the red turtleneck, because you know Valentine's is coming up, so we're going to wear red, so we're gonna put it on. My pants just fell on the floor. So I'm gonna finish with this TikTok that I was doing, and then I'm gonna show you the result. So here is my outfit. Sorry the bathroom light noise, but curl my hair, did my makeup, put on my hoops, I have all my ear piercings on. I got this red cropped turtleneck from Fashion Nova like 2 years ago maybe. Then I got a tank top underneath because it's cold outside. We are not gonna have our stomach sticking out. And then I have black jeans on, and then I'm going to fix my nails up. Maybe I'll paint my nails, let's see how I feel. But I got an hour and a half maybe left. But yes, super excited.